Good morning everybody and welcome to the Fraser Island vlog. I'm sure we're going to get up to lots of amazing things today. I'm really excited about swimming with the turtles most of all. But we're going to see a lot of things today and I thought this deserved its own vlog. So I'm at the place really early. I still have like another 40 minutes until we leave. But I didn't want to get here late and then not find where it was. Alright, here we go. about to walk up a huge sand dune. Pretty sure it's that one right there. Oh, for God's sake, I'm not up to this level. Currently just cooking dinner. I'm having halloumi, bacon, eggs and tomato. Yum! Who said you can't make yourself a good meal while on the road? Yum. Oh. Hey everyone, this is really bad lighting, but what's new? All my videos are bad lighting. Is obviously nighttime now. I got back a few hours ago from Fraser Island and oh my god, it was amazing. I 110% recommend Tasman Ventures, I think it's called. I'll definitely leave them in the description so you can check them out. I did the remote Fraser Island tour. They go right up the west coast and they're the only tour that has the permits to do it. And literally it was so cool being like the only group on the island. There was like no one else except like a few boats in the sea, but that was it. I am so sunburnt. You probably can't tell because of this lighting, but I will show you tomorrow. It's really, really bad. But I just had dinner, as you would have seen. I was craving bacon and eggs, so that's what I made myself. And I went to Woolworths and spent like 20 bucks and bought snacks as well for the next few days. And if I went and bought something from somewhere, that would have cost me more. So I saved myself a lot of money tonight. However, I'm going to go find somewhere to park for the night. And tomorrow I'm off to Mooloolaba. So I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.